Welcome to the glorious Raidershow. This is our very first podcast episode. But before we get started, check this out.
That's right, Raider Nation. It's the podcast you all been waiting for. It's the glorious Raider Show with your host, Raider Black. Yeah, Raider Nation stand up. DJ Ox forever. Los Angeles, Las Vegas, Raider Nation.
Welcome. Come on in. Let's go. It is the glorious Raider Show. I'm your host, Raider Black. This is history in the making. This is our very first episode. I hope you enjoy. Like, subscribe, and share. We're on the move. We're building. I hope you like the ambiance here. Who am I? I'm a long-term Raider fan. I've been around since that gentleman right here, Mr. Allen. Yes, Marcus Allen. As far as I can remember, this is one of my very first Raider running backs I enjoyed watching and rooting for, along with Jim Plunkett and them winning a Super Bowl over the Washington Redskins. We know them as the Commanders now. But hey, that's all in the past, and so is, unfortunately, Antonio Pierce. I really like AP. Things was going well for him. But then Raiders start having quarterback issues. Devontae Adams wanted out, and things seem to collapse. But we do have hope. The Raiders have joined the enemy, or the enemy has joined the Raiders, let's say. Tom Brady, Mr. GOAT himself, is at the helm, and he's making moves for the Raiders like you wouldn't believe. He brings in John Spytek, Pete Carrol, and Pete Carrol brings in who? Chip Kelly. Ready to start this Raider engine and get going down the road. It's 2025. And next up is the NFL Draft.
Hey, you know you like the show? Hit the like button and subscribe now.
And with the sixth pick of the 2025 NFL Draft, the Raiders select Ashton Jeanty. This man is a beast. I was so glad when they called his name. First thing I can think of is away goes our running issues. That backfield is solidified with him and Raheem Mostert. So listen, I'm excited about him.
It's the glorious Raider Show.
All right. Ashton Jeanty's in camp. He dropped the bag, got his number 2, and he's ready to take a number 2 on the league. He's built. He's smooth. I really think he's going to do some serious numbers with him and Raheem Mostert. It's going to be like a 1-2 punch. You got a veteran in there, so I think it's going to be all right. Little controversy. We've been hearing about how Chip Kelly wanted him to change his stance. I wasn't a fan of Chip Kelly based on things that happened in Philly, but you know what? He is proven. He is an offensive mastermind. And hey, we as people, we all grow, right? So this time around, I know it's going to be real positive. Hanging out with Pete Carrol, the GOAT, and, John Spytek. I think it's a real positive situation, and I really know that he's going to get the most out of Ashton Jeanty. Watch and see. Just tell me what y'all think about it. Is it a big deal with the stands? I used to coach kids football, so we used to always tell them, you get down your 3-point stands, but now the guys go into your 2-point stands. So, you let me know in the comments what y'all think. Is it a big deal or not? I don't think it's going to be a big deal. I just want to see him rush. I think he can get over 1,000 yards rushing this year. Let me know what you think in the comments. In this segment, we go shopping, Raider Nation. I need to hear from you. Are we straight now, or do we need to go out there and pick up some free agents? I know Jalen Ramsey's available. Know he wants a lot of money. Clowney's out there. Amari Cooper. Do we bring in some more veteran? Is it linebacker, safety, receiver? I think we do need to maybe 1 or 2 little moves here or there. I know Wilkins is hurt. And just to make sure that things are solidified, I'm really excited about the Raiders defensive line. So let me know what you think. I think we got a little more shopping to do, get a few guys paid. But let me know what's our next move, Raider Nation. What is our next move?
Be sure to tune in to the Glorious Raider Show every Wednesday.
In this segment, Raiders on the Rise, we want to talk about this guy. He's a complete psycho on that field. I had the opportunity to check him out on the Rush podcast, Jackson Powers Johnson. He is incredible. I love the show. Big shout out to the Condor himself, Max Crosby. Big up to the the Condor Cartel. Y'all need to holler at me. I need a shirt or something so I can wear on the show. Represent y'all. I really love the show. But that show was fun. I enjoy watching it, and he shared with us about wanting to take over. Actually, not want to. He went to Antonio Pierce saying, "Hey, I'm playing center. We're going to do this. We're moving forward." And he hit the ground running. And right now, he's the starting center. He's a beast on the field. I love him. Like his approach out there. It's like a barroom brawl. It's blood sport. He's a savage out there. But he's so cool, just fun, to hear him talk and everything. So I love what he's doing. I love his leadership. And I think he's going to be named the captain this year. All right?
Raider
so you heard it here first. If he's named
exclusive.
captain, you heard it here on the Glorious Raider Show. Congratulations to Tom Callahan. Tom Callahan. He's a long snapper from Syracuse. And he was picked up by the Raiders as an undrafted free agent. So he's grinding out there in camp. Make sure you give him some love, show him some support. But yeah, Tom Callahan, good luck to you, and I hope you make the team. And we love you being a Raider. So make it happen.
Thank you for listening to the Glorious Raider Show. Please leave a comment and let us know how we're doing.
Well, the draft is over and the schedule is out. Listen. I just want to say that the AFC West is blood sport. Definitely blood sport. Let me know in the comments what you think our record's going to be. I think we're going to get 8 wins. I'm pretty comfortable saying that. We have a lot of legendary guys in the building. I mean, Super Bowl winning guys that know what it takes to get it done. Improvement with Geno. I really feel that 8 wins is not asking for a lot. And I'll be damn sure I don't want to lose twice to nobody. Everything should be split. I mean, either we're going to sweep somebody or we're going to split. But for us to lose to the same team twice in our division, no. So let me know in the comments what you think, what our record would be. 8 wins and a wild card, right? Let me know. Okay, Raider Nation, it's time to land the plane. It is time to land this baby. We covered a lot. I really appreciate your input and your comments. Please like, subscribe, and share. I like to wrap this segment up by wishing, well wishes to Derek Carr. He's decided to retire from the New Orleans Saints. I hope at some point the Raiders bring him in and show him some love and honor by giving him like a 1-day contract. No, not playing quarterback. A 1-day contract, right? And we honor you, give you all the love that you deserve because you were definitely a grinder for the Raiders. I had more good moments cheering for you than the bad moments. Like, what the hell is he doing? Get him out of here. Derek Carr's got to be traded. It's all about being a fan, but for the most part, we're all human, and well wishes to you and your family, and hope to see everybody soon. We're gonna wrap this thing up. See you next time. It's not a goodbye, but we'll see you next episode. But until then, stay glorious.